See children, so the next topic we have in our lesson, an outlook towards discipline. In this, word search. So we have completed the question answers now. So learn that answers very properly. Now word search we have. What are these? Fill in the missing letters to complete the words from the lesson. So from the lesson they have given, and not only in the lesson, here also for your understanding they have given. So these words wherever suitable that we should find it. Okay children. So what are the words? Seriously, spellings very careful. Seriously, responsibility, discipline, suppression, congratulations, philosopher. Okay children. So 6 words they have given, 6 fill in the blanks they have given here, missing letters. We should find it and write the proper spelling of it. So what is the first word you see? Yes, dash. First one easily you can find it all almost same you have. So first dash ER dash dash U dash L dash. Yes, that first one only. First one. What is the spelling? Yes, ERIOUSLY. Seriously. Yes, ERIOUSLY. Seriously. Right. And see this one, next one. Yes, dash ES dash O dash S dash B dash dash IT dash. So which one? Which one is suitable here? Yes, ITY. Responsibility. Spelling RESPONSIBILITY. 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 Okay children. And see the next one, D dash S dash I dash dash I dash dash. Here, yes, the lesson is about discipline. Spelling? Yes, good. DISCIPLINE. Discipline. Spelling, repeat again. DISCIPLINE. Discipline. Right children? And this one, yes, suppression. Suppression. So spelling, SUPPRESSION. 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 Okay children. And see the next one. No, this is not congratulate. See, yes, philosopher. What is that? PHILOSOPHER. 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 Right children. So left only one. Congratulations. Tell me the spelling. CONGRATULATIONS. 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 Okay children. See children, so here what do we have? The next one after the missing letters, add appropriate suffixes to the following words. So they have given some words and we should add the suffixes. Suffixes you have idea na? Yes, we should add something to the end of the word, then we get a new word. So following the word and form new words. You may have to make some changes. So and in their spellings while forming new words. So when we add it, sometimes in new spelling we get it, 1 or 2 letters missed and some may add it. Okay children, like this new words we should find it. What do we have? First, hand is there. Suppose if we add some to this, what it become? hand plus some, handsome. Handsome, right? For the hand word, if we add some, then it becomes handsome, right? So next one, second one, what can we write here? So then second one, attain. Second one, bright. So here, bright. So for the bright, what can we add? Yes, ness if we add it, what it happens? What is the word? Brightness. Spelling BRIGHTNESS. Brightness. And third one, what do we have? Attain. Attain. So for the attain, we can add ABLE. So then it becomes attainable. It becomes attainable. 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 Okay. Next one, celebrate we have. Celebrate. Suppose if we add ITY, then it becomes celebrity. CELEBRITY. So here AT, in that place if we add ITY, celebrity. CELEBRITY. So this we can omit it. Okay, children. Next one, like is there. So like. So for this we can add LY. Then it becomes likely. It becomes likely. Next one, employee is there. So for this we can add MENT, ment. Then it becomes employment. It becomes employment. Spelling EMPLOYMENT. 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 So if we add ment, then it becomes employment. Okay, children. Next one, sharp. For this we can add NESS, sharpness. If we add ness, then becomes sharpness. SHARPNESS, sharpness. Okay, children. And next, what do we have? Pleasure. Pleasure. So for this pleasure, able, ABLE, if we add, it becomes pleasurable. PLEASURABLE. This E will become ABLE. No need to write E. Okay. So pleasurable. 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 Okay, children. So handsome, brightness, attainable, celebrity, likely, employment, sharpness, pleasurable. Yes, what you said, that is correct. Here, celebrate, you can write it IONS, celebrations also. Celebrations also. Okay, children. Then see the next one. Yes, see children, so the next topic we have here, fill in the blanks using appropriate phrases. Phrases means these we call it phrasal verbs also, phrases, phrasal verbs. So in this, to look one meaning, but those are different meaning, we get it, those are called phrasal verbs. Okay, when we see that, direct one meaning we feel it, but sometimes different meaning also we get it. So they have, which are the suitable that they have given, from those two, one which is the correct suitable word, we should take it. Okay, ma. So see the first question, first sentence. We will dash at 8 p.m. in our adventure trip. In our adventure trip. So it's a completed, it's a they, at that time it's over. Like that means we should, yes. Suppose when you come down from the train, what do you say? We get off the train, right? Get off the train when it stopped, right? So the same way, adventure trip, it's completed. Then we should write it, get away or get off or get along. Get along means it continues. Get off means, get along means continue the good relationship, good friendship, we call it get along. But here adventureship ended, but not a friendship about here. That's why we should take it. Yes, get off. So what is the sentence here? We will get off at 8 p.m. in adventure trip, in our adventure trip. So for that time it's going to complete. Okay children. And see the next one. The students of my class dash very well with one another. So students of the class with one another, how we are? Very friendly. Very friendly means what can we take? Get away or get along? Get along means all of us very close and good relation, good friendship. That's why we should take the answer here. Get along. So the students of my class get along very well with one another. Get along very well means very friendly with one another. Okay children. See the next one. We should try to dash our weakness. We should try to dash our weakness. What is that? Get over, get along. Get along means already know. We may continue the friendship. Get over means yes, that is it, to overcome. Right? Here what is that? We should try to overcome our weakness. Overcome means what do we get? Get over our weakness. We should try to get over our weakness. That means overcome our weakness. Next, see the last one. Vijay could not dash the final test in the Maths Olympiad. So Vijay could not. So he could not pass maybe in the final test of the Maths Olympiad. Right? So here what do we have? Get through, get over. Get over means overcome. Can we overcome the final test? Win or lose it? So could not here. Could not overcome is correct. Feelings we can write overcome but not here. So that's why could not pass. So that means could not get through. Could not get through. Okay children. So could not get through the final test in the Maths Olympiad. Okay. If we cannot complete it, or else if we cannot get the success in that, or else if we cannot pass in that, we can write it cannot get through. Okay. So Vijay could not get through the final test in the Maths Olympiad. Okay. Yes, see children, so after the fill in the blanks, we have writing skills. Writing skills, composition part. So see your workbook. Composition part, what do we have? After Sohail's class won the trophy for being the most well-disciplined class in school. Right? So after Sohail's class won the trophy. So they got the trophy now. So here that kind of one they have given for being the most well disciplined class in school. He felt very happy. And Sahil wrote a page in his diary. So in this poem, the main character we have Sahil. Na? So about that, what happened, the composition they have given. So see that after Sahil's class won the trophy, they won the trophy for being the most well-disciplined class in school. Being the most well-disciplined class in the school. He felt very happy. Yes, if we get trophies, do you feel happy or not? Very happy, excited, right? Now, Sahil wrote a page in his diary. So, in the schooling, daily you write your diaries, na? Daily you write down. So, not only school diaries, your memories and whatever you feel happy, whatever you did you committed mistakes or else you did you faced a problem. If you write in the diary, whether it is the proper one or not, you can understand. So, it's a good hobby. So, he had written. But he forgot to write articles and some words. So, in his diary, he forgot to write articles and some words. Articles, you know, a and the, right? Now help him complete it by using suitable words from the box. So here in the box they have given, and so in these blanks wherever the suitable these words, that we should keep it there. Okay, keep them there, and you may use them more than once. So sometimes you can use more than once also. Okay children, so now see this one. So see the first one. I am very happy today. I am very happy today. My class won dash trophy for a very good discipline that we maintain. So what did he got what did he get? That is he got a trophy, right? So a trophy. So what can we write? So what are the options they have given? You see, several they have given. Several, an, a, the, few, and much. So these words they have given. So now these can be repeat also in the paragraph. Okay children, now see this. I am very happy today. My class won dash trophy. My class won a trophy, right? So first blank we can write this one in the first blank. So in the first blank we can write A. So my class won a trophy. Write down all of it. Right, a trophy for very good discipline that we maintained. Dash trophy was given in the morning assembly at 8 a.m. So dash trophy already see. First time means A or an we write. But again that is repeating means what we should write? The we should write. That's why next second blank we should write the. Second blank we should write the trophy was given in the morning assembly at 8 a.m. Morning school assembly 8 o'clock na, that they have given. So dash class teacher of my class praised all of us. Dash class teacher of my class means here class teacher one particular one, right? That's why we should write again the class teacher of my class. Even third blank also we should write the only. The class teacher of my class praised all of us, because one particular madam na or sir na, so the class teacher means madam or sir one particular one. That's why we should write particular means the. Okay nana. And dash things that my father told me about J. Krishnamurthy's views on discipline really helped me. So dash things he said, many things or several things. So they didn't give many things here. That's why several things, not of a few. Few means very little, less. But here so many has learned. That's why several things. So that's why we can write several things in the fourth blank. Fourth blank we should write several things that my father told me about J. Krishnamurthy's views on discipline really helped me. Yes, Sahil learnt all this from his father, and with the help of that only he succeeded in the class na. So I believe that even dash ordinary man can do great things if he is disciplined in life. So in the lesson only we have that one. So I believe that even an ordinary man, so fifth blank we can write ordinary. So an ordinary man can do great things if he is disciplined in his life. Yes, if we are disciplined in our life, any kind of thing we can do. So any chances we get. And I think we were successful. It was dash memorable day for me. It was a memorable day for me. So next in the sixth blank also you should write A only. It was a memorable day for me. And being the discipline in charge is not dash easy job. It is an easy job or it is not an easy job, right? So in charge is not an easy job. Easy, that's why an easy. So seventh blank also we should write an only. Okay ma. And the next one, but I learned many I learned few in these. I learned much. We can write here. Much is there, na? So I learned much. So here next blank. So much he has learned. Na? That's why I learned much. So which blank? 8 blank. 8th one. In these few days. So very few days only he got it. Na? That's why I learned much in these few days. Okay children. I learned much in these few days. Okay ma. So sometime they have given within that only they became the most disciplined class in the school na? So that within few days he has learned so many things. Right children. So in the 9th blank. So for each blank you give the number. Date you leave it. Date don't give this number. Date you should write whenever. Today you are writing, write today's date. And next one each blank. So first one a trophy. And next one that we maintain. That trophy was given. Okay, for good conduct and that is trophy was given in the morning assembly at 8 a.m. The class teacher, right? Third one. And next fourth one, several things. And fifth one we have an ordinary man. And sixth one we have a memorable day. And seventh one again we have an easy job. And the 8th one we have much in these few days. 9th one is few. So much is 8th blank and 9th blank you write few days. Okay children. Date you don't count it. Remaining paragraph if you count each one blank. Total 9 blanks are there so that you can write it. Okay children. Clear? Yes. Children, so the next we have life skills part. So this you can do very easy, interesting. What is your opinion? What do you do? I ask some questions. First see the paragraph. Think it over and then decide what to do. So here you are watching your favorite cartoon show on TV. Yes, all of you watch it now? Yes. Your grandmother wants to change the channel. Do you like it? No. And watch the TV serial she likes. Yes, grandmas, they like their TV serials na. So, but she is unable to find the remote because you kept somewhere, right? And you know where it is. What will you do? So, will you give the remote or not? Help them or not? Tell your choice by putting a tick mark. Now decide will you. So, how we are? Some questions here you have. Whether you are willing to do or not. So if you yes you are ready means tick mark or else leave it. See the first question. Keep mum and keep watching your show. Keep mum, grandma there only, continue search it and you watch your show. Do you watch your show by leaving your grandma like that? Yes. Okay, if you are yes means give the tick mark. No, I don't leave it means give the wrong mark. Decide yourself what you are doing at home. Okay. And pretend to search for it and say you can't find it. So pretend to search for it. Yes, you search for but you cannot find it like this. Do you say? You are telling like that. See how you are disciplined. Don't act here. How you have real discipline, you think it. So if you are doing like that means a tick it. Not means just cross it. And give the remote and let your grandma watch the serial. So up to that you have watched cartoon. That's why whenever grandma came, yes grandma, yes you take this remote I have. So and then you give chance to her to watch her serial and you leave that. Or what do you do? Yes, if you are giving the remote to her means yes, tick right mark, otherwise cross mark. Give her the remote and request your grandma that she let you watch the cartoon show for some more time. Yes, of course, this also you can do. You give the remote and instead of watching her TV serial, grandma, you watch my cartoon because you want to watch it for some time, right? That you can see. So, dear children, remember that your grandparents need your care, love and affection. They love you a lot. So look after them to make them very happy. Right? When you are very baby kid at that time, they only looked after you now. Now they became old. and your parents that they only looked after, so that's why you are in this position. Your parents are looking very carefully, means because of your grandparents also, right? That's why now your turn, your responsibility to look after your grandparents very carefully with affection, care and affection, right children? So this is the life skill part. What do you know? See this. Yes, see children, so the last topic in our lesson, an outlook towards discipline. So in this, the last topic, what do we have? Creative fun. So it's very interesting to you. So what is this creative fun? Prepare a chart paper on topic. What is the topic? How to maintain discipline. How to maintain discipline. A chart, you take it and write the name on that and write the rules that should be followed. So how to maintain discipline. So always we should be disciplined, means some rules are there. So write the rules all one by one and paste the pictures wherever possible. So for the rule, that concern picture if it is possible in any newspaper or else in your books, like that. So for the rule, you paste the picture. So like that, for which it is possible, all those you collect it, and some if it is not possible, just write the rule and go to next one. So like that, you paste the pictures also wherever possible. Okay children, so will you do this project work? Good. So complete this.